Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at that very popular Husqvarna 359 chainsaw, 3.6 cubic inch, 59 cc's, 3.9 horsepower, and the power head on that one weighs 12.1 pound. And we'll take a close-up look at some of the features on this. Kill switch is real easy to get at right here. Choke is right below it. You just pull it out. It's got the operator presence lever. Won't throttle up until you have your hand in place. Large hand protector and foot pad. That's a translucent tank. You can actually see the fluid, the gas in there, so when you get in the outside you can see when it's got gas in it. It's a nice feature Husqvarna come out with. Side load on the oil and gas reservoir. It's got a working chain brake. And we've got a 20-inch bar and chain on that. That's that chisel bit, skip tooth, 3/8. To adjust the tension on this bar, you loosen two lug nuts up right here, and it's right on the side. Real convenient, easy to get at. And a decompression valve. That blue button there is your decompression valve. Right there. And it's got the easy access to your filter and cylinder. It's a real nice feature here. Let's show you that. Nice and clean in there. Easy to get in there and check your air filter out and do maintenance on this chainsaw. We'll go outside and make a cut with it now.